Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best drawing tablets you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Almost all artists discover they possess the creative gene at a young age. Young artists are known for doodling on papers, scribbling in notebooks, and breaking out paintbrushes. A physical brush stroke on canvas eventually turns into a computer program in a mouse click. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Microsoft Surface Book 3. A portable tablet and pressure-sensitive graphics device is available when you pair the Surface Book 3 with the Surface Pen, sold separately. Surface Pen has 4096 pressure points and a 13.5-inch touchscreen with 3000 by 2000 resolution, which gives you more control and better visuals. Use your favorite artist software, like Photoshop or Corel Painter, among others. You can still draw on your tablet when you don't feel like it, and it has a dual-core Intel i7 processor with 16 GB of RAM if you don't feel like drawing. Shortly, it is the best combo drawing tablet and laptop for artists. On number 4, Galaxy Tab S7. The Galaxy Tab S7 might not provide the same level of pressure sensitivity as, for example, the XP Pen Artist 15.6 Pro, but it does allow you to create illustrations with the illustration software of your choice while providing the extras of one of the top tablets on the market. S Pen's creative capabilities extend beyond drawing to remote snapping and controlling movies. Then, just magnetically attach your tablet to it so it can charge. On number 3, Wacom Intuos Pro L Drawing Tablet. Intuos Pro L is the next best drawing tablet you can get if you prefer the premium feel of a Wacom product, but don't want to shell out for a pen display. Its spacious 12.1 by 8.4 inch workspace and 8192 level pressure sensitivity give you plenty of possibilities to create masterpieces. It does not have a built-in display, but it is wireless, so there are no annoying cables, and it comes with the Wacom Pro Pen 2, which is the industry standard when it comes to digital drawing instruments. On number 2, Wacom Intuos S Drawing Tablet. For graphic designers starting out, the Wacom Intuos S is a great choice for beginners due to its dot grid for helping draw straight lines and keeping things to scale, as well as its textured surface. There are 4096 levels of pressure on the 6 by 3.7 inch drawing surface, which is enough for a beginner to have complete control, but not so sensitive that it becomes overwhelming. Beginners can get started right away with Corel Aftershot and Corel Painter Essentials 6. On number 1, XP Pen Deco 01 V2 Drawing Tablet. With the XP Pen Deco 01 V2, you can learn online at an affordable price. Despite its relatively small size, it provides a big workspace with plenty of room to draw or write. There are 2 orientations, so depending on what you're presenting, it will work either way. When you work on math problems in MS Word, or when you edit pictures in Photoshop, you might want to use the portrait orientation. As an added bonus, you can tilt the stylus by 60 degrees when using it so that you can interact more with the pen instead of the software. So guys, this was the video about the best drawing tablets. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.